A two-day international conference on disaster-resilient infrastructure began in New Delhi on Wednesday. The conference serves as a premier gathering for Coalition for Disaster-Resilient Infrastructure, an international body established by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
His background in diplomacy and
International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure (ICDRI) opened on Wednesday at the Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. The ICDRI is the flagship event of the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, an international organization launched by Prime Minister of India in 2019. Inaugurating the event virtually, Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted that damages to infrastructure system caused by disasters are reported in dollars, but the true impact is felt by people and communities.
We must invest in resilient infrastructure today for better tomorrow. Resilience needs to be factored into new infrastructure creation. Further, it also needs to be a part of post-disaster rebuilding.
Prime Minister also congratulated CDRI on its rapid growth since 2019 and its programs which are supporting the development of resilient infrastructure, including across 13 small island developing states. CDRI currently has 46 members. The theme of ICDRI 2024 is Investing Today for a More Resilient Tomorrow.
To achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, to reach net zero and strengthen resilience by 2050 amounts to $9.2 trillion. If we do not design resilience into our project pipelines, it will be increasingly difficult to achieve the high levels of funding needed to close the infrastructure deficit, particularly in the global south.
The two-day event that brings together governments, the global infrastructure community, multilateral development banks, the private sector to support the development of disaster-resilient infrastructure. Taposh Bhattacharya's report, DD India.